the holy martyr Tryphon of Nicaea. February 1st. A young goose-herder with the gift of healing is arrested during a fierce persecution and steadfastly confesses Christ under horrific tortures. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised this content may include torture, persecution, and execution. The holy martyr Tryphon was born in the village of Lampsacus, located in the region of Phrygia, during the 3rd century. His upbringing was humble, and he spent his youth as a goose-herder. From an early age, the Lord bestowed upon him divine grace, granting him the gift to heal both people and animals from sicknesses and the power to cast out demons. Tryphon's spiritual gifts became widely known throughout the Roman Empire. A significant event in his life involved the daughter of Emperor Gordian III. The young woman suffered greatly, tormented by a demon that had taken hold of her. Despite the efforts of numerous physicians and magicians summoned from across the empire, none could alleviate her suffering. The demon, speaking through the afflicted girl, declared that only a youth named Tryphon from Phrygia possessed the power to expel it. Upon hearing this, Emperor Gordian dispatched messengers to find Tryphon. The young goose-herder was brought to Rome. As he approached the imperial palace, the demon was compelled to flee from the emperor's daughter, unable to withstand the presence of the saint. Emperor Gordian, filled with gratitude for the healing of his child, offered Tryphon great rewards and honors. However, Tryphon accepted nothing for himself. Instead, he asked the emperor to believe in Christ, the true God, through whom all healing and salvation come. After this, Tryphon returned to his village, continuing his simple life and serving God. A period of peace for Christians ended with the ascension of Emperor Decius to the throne. Decius initiated a fierce persecution against those who confessed Christ. During this time, St. Tryphon was denounced to Aquilinus, the local prefect, for openly preaching the Christian faith. Tryphon was arrested and brought to the city of Nicaea, where he was to be interrogated. Before Prefect Aquilinus, St. Tryphon stood firm. He boldly confessed his unwavering faith in Jesus Christ, declaring himself a servant of the one true God. He refused to offer sacrifices to the Roman idols, stating that such acts were an affront to the Creator of all things. Aquilinus, angered by Tryphon's steadfastness and his refusal to renounce Christ, ordered a series of brutal tortures. The saint was suspended from a tree, where he was beaten for a prolonged period. His body was then subjected to iron hooks, which tore his flesh. He endured being scorched with fire, yet his spirit remained unbroken. He was also forced to walk barefoot on nails driven into the ground, a torment designed to inflict immense pain and break his resolve. Through each trial, St. Tryphon bore his sufferings without complaint, drawing strength from his profound faith in Christ. He prayed, offering thanks to God for granting him the endurance to witness to the truth. Seeing that no amount of physical torment could compel St. Tryphon to abandon his confession of Christ, Prefect Aquilinus pronounced a sentence of beheading. As he was led to the place of execution, St. Tryphon offered a final prayer to God. He gave thanks for the strength provided during his trials and commended his soul into the hands of the Lord. Before the executioner's sword could fall, St. Tryphon peacefully reposed, giving his soul to God. The Christians of Nicaea, reverencing the holy martyr, prepared to bury his body in their city. However, St. Tryphon appeared to them in a vision, instructing them to transport his sacred relics back to his home village of Lampsacus for burial. His body was then carried to Lampsacus, where it was interred, becoming a source of blessing for the faithful. St. Tryphon is venerated by the Church as a great healer and protector, particularly invoked for the preservation of gardens and fields from harmful pests. His memory is kept on February 1st, a testament to his unwavering witness to Christ.